I love my Glowforge. I've made so many things. As you can see, they just kind of run the gamut. They're all very colorful, which is who I am. I love color. And I love using it for my business, not only to make products to sell, but to make craft kits to give somebody else a way to customize their home and make something. I am Cara Witten, the Chief Creative Maker, doer of all things of Kailo Chic. I sell home decor, gift items, and a lot of holiday decor. I started my business back in 2005, and in 2015 I started a DIY and craft blog. And the Glowforge was just one of those items that I really wanted to get my hands on to create all sorts of ideas that I had floating around in my head. So I finally bit the bullet and got one, and I could not be more excited with my Glowforge and all the things that I've been able to create with it. At the beginning of this year, I didn't leave the house for several months, and so I was kind of limited to what I could create and what I could craft to both sell on my site and to show people crafts that they could make. I mean, I do have a lot of craft supplies, as you can see behind me, but the Glowforge was great in being like, you know what, I have this idea for, that's where I created this neon sign and this wall hanging and this shelf, all during quarantine, and the plant hangers actually, because I could get wood online, the proof grade materials through Glowforge, and so I could buy that and cut it here at home and then ship it out without really even having to leave my house. And it just opened up so many different ideas for products that I could make, and that's really kind of where the craft kit kind of took off. Where I could show you how to cut this wall shelf or this tassel wall hanging using your Glowforge. If you don't have one but you still want to do that, I now cut the pieces and sell them as craft kits on my site. So that really kind of opened up a lot more doors for me and my audience to be able to craft and get familiar with the Glowforge. And I think a lot of people, since seeing that and seeing all the different things that you can make, have been like, you know what, I want to get one of my own. And I always highly recommend it. I like to use my Glowforge as a great way to prototype an idea that I have and test to see if it's popular before going into getting a large manufacturing quantity made. And being able to make stuff to order really cuts down the amount of materials or inventory that you have to keep on hand. And you can just order as you need, which really helps with the small business, especially when you're first getting started, not having to spend so much money up front on materials and inventory. You just need the machine, a few sheets of acrylic or a few sheets of wood, and you're good to go.